Okay, this is the first of the problems from the pretest. This is number 63. We do have a problem in the problem already, though, because if you put an 80 centimeter rod with a 10 centimeter rod, it is not going to be 60 centimeters long. It's going to be 90 centimeters long. So that could save some confusion right there. So that's going to be 90 centimeters long. So let's do a little diagram. We have an steel length that's 80 centimeters, and we've got an aluminum length that's 10 centimeters. So what's going to happen is when these guys get heated, the steel is going to get longer and the aluminum is going to get longer. So both of them are going to get longer. So what we need to do is find the change in length for each of them. So the change in length is our original length times our change in temperature times our coefficient of linear expansion. Now for the steel, so let's do the steel. Our change in length is, now what's really nice about this is since alpha is just per degree Celsius, these units just need to match. So we can actually leave our answers in centimeters. We don't have to convert to meters. So this is 80 centimeters. Now our change in temperature. We were at 90 degrees and 15 degrees. So our change in temperature is 75 degrees. We went from 15 to 90, so we changed by 75 degrees. And then the alpha for the steel, because it says aluminum and steel are this and this respectively, which means this one goes with the second one, the steel. 1.2 times 10 to the minus 5. So we find the change in length of the steel is 0.072 centimeters. For the aluminum, you should be able to do this. You might want to pause the video and do this one on your own. Same equation, change in temperature times the alpha. So we're trying to find the change in length of the aluminum. It's 10 centimeters, same temperature change, but a different coefficient of linear expansion. The 2.4 times 10 to the minus 5, because that's actually a property of the material itself. So the change in length of the aluminum is 0.018 centimeters. So here's what happened. Our steel got 0.072 centimeters longer, so it grew a little bit over here, not much, and our aluminum got a little bit longer. So now they want to know what's the increase of the total rod. So it's really just the sum of the two increases. So when we add 0.072 to 0.018, we get 0.09 centimeters. That doesn't match up with any of our answers, but let's look at those answers a little bit more carefully. The increase in length of the joined rod in millimeters. There's the difference. So 0.09 centimeters is 0.9 millimeters, which is why our answer is A.